Hey everyone, this is Sarah with the Dinner Bell, and I wanted to put together a quick video to help anyone who needs it purchase a gift card on the website. So you're going to need an account to do this at dinnerbellstl.com. If you don't have one, just go right here to create an account. If you already have one, you're going to just log in, hover your mouse over the Order tab, and go down here to Gift Cards. Click on that. And click on that. There we go. Alright, so the gift cards page will have some information for you to read here, and you've got two options. This card is $145.73, which is the full session price after taxes, which will get 6 recipe selections from the menu, a stamp on a loyalty card, and ready-to-bake cookies. So that's generally what people purchase. So if you're not sure what they're going to want, but you know they want to come in for meal prep, this is the option to go with. You're just going to hit add to cart, and I'm going to continue shopping so that I can show you the other option. This option here, this top one, is so that you can select an amount. So if you're not sure if they want to do a whole meal prep session, you can do this and pick a card with smaller amounts. It goes from $10 all the way up to $200. Whatever amount you'd like to choose, hit add to cart, and then you are good. So this over here on the side is to view your cart. You have all of your information there. You're going to need to pay with a credit card, and it will have your prices right here. Once you submit your order, it will have a pop-up screen so that you can pay with a credit card, and then we will get your order, and that is that. Hopefully that helps everybody out. If you guys have any more questions, here is our phone number. Just give us a call. We hope to see you guys soon at the Dinner Bell.